The Licensing Requirements tool is an overview of requirements in each of NCARB's 55 member jurisdictions related to architectural licensure and practice rules. It is important to understand a jurisdiction's requirements before seeking licensure. Be sure to contact a jurisdiction's licensing board to ensure you have the most current information. To navigate to the Licensing Requirements tool, go to ncarb.org/requirements or click on the link on the NCARB website homepage. Once you're on the tool, you can take a tour of two different views, the Jurisdiction Requirements List and the National Map View. The Jurisdiction Requirements List is a list of the requirements for each jurisdiction, including any special notes or caveats. The National Map View is a map of the 55 U.S. jurisdictions along with a list of requirements. You can use the National Map View to compare requirements in multiple jurisdictions. To view the requirements list in the Jurisdiction Requirements List or National Map View, you must first select a category. The four categories are: I'm getting licensed for the first time or initial licensure, I want to be licensed in a new jurisdiction or reciprocal licensure, I want to renew my license or licensure renewal, and I want to learn about requirements for my practice or practice requirements. Once you've selected a category, you can then choose a jurisdiction. Select a jurisdiction from the drop-down menu in the Jurisdiction Requirements list. You can optionally compare to a second jurisdiction here. From the National Map View, you can either view which jurisdictions accept, may accept, or do not accept a specific requirement, or view the list of requirements for a given jurisdiction. Use the interactive map to select a new jurisdiction. The Maybe option indicates that a jurisdiction accepts or does not accept a requirement with some exceptions. Maybe is indicated on the National Map View with blue and white stripes. Yes is indicated with solid blue, and no is indicated with solid gray. You can also use the Licensing Requirements tool to see your licensing board's contact information. This information is available near the top of your screen on both tabs, including the board's website, physical address, phone number, and email address.